How to appear offline on Instagram. So first of all, just go ahead to the App Store on Google Play, double check if the Instagram app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open up the Instagram, and I'm going to just go ahead and click on my profile at the below right corner, and from here I'm going to just click the three bars at the top right. Scroll a little bit down, scroll a little bit down, scroll a little bit down till you find how others can interact with you. Just go ahead and click messages and story replies, and from there you're going to be able to see right here, show activity status. Click on it, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just toggle this one off. And if you toggle it off, that means that no one will know that you are online on Instagram while posting or do whatever browsing your reels, right? So if you toggle this one on, that means that you will appear online whenever you enter Instagram app. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you